Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover this easy to use content planner and tracker. You can use this as a guide, as inspiration to build your own, or you can purchase it with a link in the description. Depending on the version, your main content tab will either be called a content brainstorm or a content overview. Either way, this tab will include a topic column, which has a drop-down menu that pulls from the topics that you enter into your topic tab. So if we add some topics like exercise and workouts, diet, sleep, and we go back to our content tab, then we'll see those options for selection in the topics column. So from there, once you enter your topics, you can enter your idea, select the topic which applies, and select the priority as well as the channel you want to publish on. If you want to post this content in multiple channels, you can leave the next row blank and then just choose the other channel that you want to post in. Or you can select multiple rows for the idea column, topic column, and priority column, and just select the merge cell icon in the top toolbar here. We'll click on the calendar/schedule tab. Before you use this tab, click on the down arrow next to the tab title and select duplicate. That way you can have a clean, fresh copy for your next month. Here at the top we have instructions on how to use this tab. If you pick up the process pretty quickly, you can highlight the cells, highlight the rows, and hide them if you wish. Scroll down and you'll see sections for each week where there are columns for each day of the week. So if you want to fill in a post or schedule a post, select the platform in the first row. Let's choose Instagram here. For the status, choose backlog if you want to save it for later, in progress, or published. And then for the image, go to the top menu, click on Insert, choose Image, Insert Image in Cell. And you can choose an image from any of these options. We'll select the image from our Google Drive. If you want to add multiple images to a post, click on the row for images and right-click or control-click, insert one row below, and then add another image. And we'll give it a caption. Once you enter the caption, you're provided with a character count. And then you can also add a link in this row, as well as any notes or documentation. If you want to add another post for the same week and the same day, you can scroll down and change the next section with the drop down, clicking on the drop down here, and you can select the same week. And it changes the color of the section to the same color for the week that you select. So then you can add another post, a different post to schedule in this tab here. And of course you can change it back. Scroll down and you'll see more sections for additional weeks, including sections with blank weeks. So you can choose what week you want to schedule for. If you scroll to the bottom, you can copy the section and add more weeks if you want. As you fill out all these cells and go throughout the week, you'll notice that the first column is frozen, so you can keep track of which week you're scheduling. And just a reminder that each week is color-coded, so if you have multiple posts for a day, you'll see which week it belongs to. You can customize the platforms that are included by clicking on one of the platform drop-downs. So currently it includes Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. If you want to remove or add platforms, click on this writing utensil for the edit button, and this pane will appear on the right, and you can delete or add more platforms. And once you finish adding them, click on Done and Apply All. And that'll apply the changes to all the platform drop-downs. Now you can go over to the Content Overview tab where you can keep track of all these details for your posts. You can start by grabbing the caption from your post, copying this, and then when you paste it in the title or the topic cell, right-click or control-click, paste special, and values only. Or you can paste it in the notes column and keep the first column just for title/topic. And you'll see why this is useful in a moment as you rate your content. You can select the priority, you can select the status, let's change this to scheduled, insert the word count, add any notes, describe the level of effort, whether it was low level of effort, medium, or high, the published location, URL, and you can rate the content success. Now for this rating, you want to define what success means to you, whether it's the level of engagement, the number of likes, the number of comments. You can define tiers of that in your notes and then rate your content success accordingly. So you can see what kind of content performs the best and what kind of content might need improvement. You can use this icon in the column header that looks like an upside down pyramid to filter your content by rating. So you can clear and choose only the top performing content, select OK, and it filters your data table for you. If you want to reset it, click on this funnel icon and select all. OK, and it resets. When you change the status to published, it'll highlight the entire row in green. And it'll bring those posts that are published into the Published tab automatically. And you'll see all these details here that you've input. Now this goes for both your Content Brainstorm / Overview tab and your Published tab, but as your list of published content grows, for example, you want to make sure that your filter data includes your entire list. And that's indicated by the top and bottom borders, the green borders that you see here at the top of row 3 and at the bottom of your list. If you see a piece of content or a line item outside of these borders, click on Data, Remove Filter, and then click somewhere on the table, Data again. From the top menu, click on Create a Filter, and this will include your entire list. There are hidden columns in this tab if you want to use this content planner and tracker for blog posts. So for example, if you click on these arrows here, double click on them, there's a column for on site to indicate whether you published an article on site. And then if you scroll to the right, double click on these arrows, there are these columns for guest posts, topics, or content that you post on other people's websites. So this gives you the traffic estimate for those external websites and also the publish date that you can enter. If you're only focusing on social media, you can hide these columns. So this content planner and tracker is a nice, simple solution you can use, and it's cost effective. You can check the link in the description to purchase your own, or grab a more simple version with the free content planner and tracker. If you found this useful, like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next episode.